I'll demonstrate two interaction risk monitors. The risky address monitor fires an alert when it detects an address interacting with the target contract that carries an attack, phishing, or OFAC sanctions label. The Tornado Cache monitor, on the other hand, detects an EOA interacting with the target contract that was funded through Tornado Cache and fires an alert. We'll use two transactions as examples to trigger each of these monitors. The first transaction involves a launcher tagged as a UniBTC attacker interacting with a cross-chain bridge contract. The second is an attack transaction whose launcher was funded through Tornado Cache. First, let's import the contract address and manually create the corresponding monitor for it. Risky address. Here we'll check the attacker label. Save. Now let's go to Test Kit and backtest both transactions. Let's give it a moment. You can see both transactions have triggered their alerts. Let's click into the alert details. You can see the alert details clearly indicate the phishing and attack labels. Likewise, the second alert's details also show the path from Tornado Cache funding the launcher, along with the corresponding transactions.